Okay guys, today I'm working on 2004 Chevy Silverado pickup 2500. I have a starter problem and I'm about to take it off and swipe the new one. Alright, stay with me. This is my engine. I have 6.0 and the starter is on the passenger side, right inside the passenger side wheels. It's about down there. I'm gonna go down so I can get you a close picture so you can see how you do it. First thing first, I came by the wheels, front wheels, passenger side. I took the cover off, as you can see, the mud cover, or you can say side fender cover. It allowed me to expose the starter. It's right there behind the frame. It's kind of dark. I apologize, but I'm gonna try to get a light. Back again. I was able to take the old starter off. It wasn't hard for me. Again, I was able to take the old starter off. This is where it used to be at, right here. And a lot of people disconnect the oil sensor harness, but that's one thing I did different. It was no need to disconnect this oil sensor. It's kind of dark, but I hope you can see it right there, the blue connector right there. A lot of people disconnect it in order to take the starter off. It have nothing to do with starter. It's not connected with starter. It's not no way you can take off the starter without bothering that harness or terminal, you want to call it. Now I'm ready to swipe the new one. I'm under the truck. Here's the new starter. Everything made in USA too. I'm gonna put this on. I just gotta reverse the process. First, I'm gonna disconnect the positive battery cable right here, and this one for solenoid. I'm gonna connect this guy first, then take the starter back. And then when you try to take off starter or take off the starter, this is the thing I found that it helped me out a lot. That it was the easiest way to get the starter down the ground without fighting it. Don't try to bring it out here. You see these two lines here? bring it out right here between the line and the engine block. That's the perfect spot where my hand is going, and that's the perfect spot. I mean, like this. It's tough to walk on one hand and hold the phone in one another. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to go back in this position, and when you take it off, to take it down, this is the way you take it down too. So I'm gonna just reverse the process and be good to go. All right, I need both hands now. I'm gonna show you when I put it in. I'm back. I got it in. The starter is in. That's the shiny part you're seeing. That's the new starter. I'm sorry guys, it's really dark down here, and I need this truck for work. That's why I'm working on a dark time and all this. Sorry about that, but I hope you can see better. I hope you get the idea, and good luck in your project. See you in the next one.